Hello random people. Before we start, forgive my voice because I'm not feeling well. This time, I will show something to all of you. Oh, sorry. My racing exhaust. Yeah, I know. This is too loud and disturbing by people. But I have dark. Sorry. All right. I have a solution. The solution is this. What is this? This is a DB killer. The name is DB killer. What is DB? DB is decibels. Why it is called DB killer? Because this object used to kill or muffle the sound of racing exhaust. Because yeah, the sound my bike exhaust is very noisy and very disturbed by two people. According to the police law, that the racing exhaust is permissible, but the dB must be under 20 maybe. So we will plug this DB killer in our exhaust. So don't go anywhere. Ciao.
I'm the bad guy.
Hello random people, back with me again. Okay, now I will install this DB killer to my exhaust. Okay, let's start.
Anything you feel, put it all on me. All of your thoughts, I want everything. And when you get sad, like you do sometimes, put it all on me. Put it all on me. I'll lift you when you're feeling low. I'll hold you when the night gets cold. You'll never have to be alone, and that's all you need to know. No love lost, we've got you and I. No clouds, we're shooting out the sky. You'll never have to be alone, and that's all you need to know.
Hello random people. Wah, blur. Okay. Don't forget to like, comment, and ciao.